Hi, I am Atanu. In this tutorial video, you learn the division of the polynomial. This is one of the chapter of class 8 mathematics. You get the all mathematics series video of class 8 from the playlist. Here you learn the following points. First, algebraic expression and polynomial definition, degree and types of the polynomial. Second, you learn the division by the monomial. Third, long division method. Fourth, division by the factorization, and last, shortcut division method. So if you complete this entire video, you will be familiar all these things, and you can start your exercise yourself. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends so that channel can grow, and also like this video and press the bell icon so that you get all updates. Without wasting time, let's start the division of polynomial. First we learn the what is algebraic expression. So if I consider minus 4x cube plus 5, so this is algebraic expression. So these are the terms. Okay, so this algebraic expression having the two terms. So these are the symbol, plus minus symbol. And what is 4? 4 is actually the coefficient part, coefficient of the term. Okay, coefficient of terms, and this is the constant, and this is the power or exponent of variable, x, and this thing is actually the variable. Just a minute. This is variable. So x is actually the variable. So these are the following component, and when the different terms, the multiple terms is connect with the plus or minus, then it represent a algebraic expression. Clear? So now when the algebraic expression become polynomial, because all algebraic expression is not the polynomial. Clear? Why the all algebraic expression is not the polynomial? Because when the algebraic expression become like this, if we consider the general expression minus x to the power n and plus b, okay, here you must remember this n is actually the power component. This power component should be whole number, should be the whole number to become a polynomial. Means the algebraic expression with the power of all variables, if it is the whole number, then it's become a polynomial, otherwise not. Let's take example. If I told you 3x cube minus root 5y, is it a polynomial? Yes, because both power of variable are 3 and 1. So here it is power of the x is 3 and power of the y is 1, are whole number. So these variables are the 3 and 1, which are the whole number. So we can say it is a this expression, this algebraic expression, this total algebraic expression is a polynomial. But if you take the example, just a minute. Px cube minus root 5y to the power minus 3. This is cube and this minus 3. So then it is not, since this part, this is not the whole number, not whole number. So it is not a polynomial. This algebraic expression is not a polynomial. So I can give you more example, like if I give you the root 2 x square minus 1 by y, it is not a polynomial. It is a not polynomial. Why? Because here the y, if we write in the standard form, what it will be? It will be like this. It will be, we can write as root 2 x square minus y to the power minus 1. So it is not a polynomial. Okay, we can write this. I can give you more example. If the fraction or decimal, the power is fraction of the decimal, then also it is not the polynomial. For example, 5x 3 by 2 plus 5. Is it polynomial? No, it is not polynomial. Because 3 by 2, this 3 by 2 is not a whole number. That is the reason actually. So hope you can easily identify which algebraic expression are polynomial or not. Okay. Next we learn the degree of polynomial. Okay. Next we learn the degree of the polynomial. Let's take example 2x to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 5. So this is a polynomial definitely, because the each power of the variable is the whole number or the whole number. So we can say it is the polynomial. So now we arrange into the standard form. So what is the meaning of the standard form? So standard form. Standard form means the ascending or descending order of the power. For example, if this algebraic expression is given like this, 2 x to the power 4 5 plus 5 plus 3x square, then the standard form will be from the descending order of the power or the ascending order. It could be 2x to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 5, or 5 plus 3x square plus 2x to the power 4. Correct? So from here we can easily find out the maximum power, or also without writing any standard form we can find out the maximum power of the variable. The degree is actually the degree of polynomial is equal to maximum power of variable. What is the maximum value here? That is 4. Here it is. Here it is 4. So degree of the polynomial is actually, of the given this polynomial is actually the 4. For the polynomial with the one variable, if the given polynomial having the two variable, then we have to sum the maximum power of the variables. For example, if I told you 3x cube plus 4x y to the power 4, yes, plus 5x square y plus 3. Here the power will be the maximum sum of power, maximum sum of power will be what? You have to consider this term only. So what is the power of x? The power of x is actually the 1, and power of y is equal to 4. That is the 5. So this 5 is the degree. The degree of this polynomial. Clear? This way we can find out the degree of the polynomial of the given polynomial with the one variables or the two variables. Okay. Next we learn the type of polynomials. So first is the constant polynomials. The polynomial with the power 0 means the degree is 0. Then we can say it is the constant polynomial. For example, if we say the 2 or 3, these are the example of the constant polynomial, because here the power of variable is 0. Then what is the linear polynomial? When the degree is 1, then we can say it is the, for example, 5x plus 4. This is the, here the degree is 1. The power of the x, variable x, is actually the 1. So it is the linear polynomial. Example of linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, when the degree is 2, then you can say it is the quadratic polynomial. For example, root 2 x square plus 7. So here the power of the variable is actually 2. So degree is 2. Cubic polynomial, definitely we are discussing here the polynomial with the one variable. Degree is 3. For example, 5x cube plus 3x square plus 4. So maximum power is actually 3. So degree is 3. So this is the cubic polynomial. So what is the example of the biquadratic? When the degree is 4. When the degree is 4, then you can say it is the biquadratic. For example, 2x to the power 4 plus 3x cube minus 2x square plus 5x plus 1. Here the maximum power is actually the 4. So degree is 4. This is the biquadratic polynomials. Okay. So we have completed the first part, that is algebraic expression and polynomial definition, degree and type of the polynomial. Okay. Next we learn the division by the monomial. First we consider the division of the monomial by monomial. Let's take one example. Minus 72 a cube b square c. If you divide this algebraic expression with the with 8a b a square b c. Then we get what? We get, I can do that, 72 a cube b square c divided by 8 a square b c. So we know that uh, from the indices rule, that is, if a to the power m divided by a to the power n is there, when the base are same and power is different, then can write as a to the power m minus n. Clear? So, and here the coefficient divide another coefficient, means we can simplify 8 and 72, that will be 9. And the final answer will be minus 9. And for a there is 3 and it is 2, so we can deduct it, 3 minus 2, and multiply b to the power 2 minus 1 and c 1 minus 1, that is the 0. Okay, cancel out each other. So we can write as 9 a b, and there is no value of the c because something to the power 0 is equal to 1. Clear? So minus 9ab is the right answer. So let's do this. This here the 3x is actually the monomial. Okay, and it is a biquadratic polynomial. How you can do that? So first we write the question, that is 3x to the power 4 plus 2 root 3 x cube plus 3x square minus 6x. Okay, then you divide this by 3x. So root 3 by 3, you can directly do that. Root 3 by 3 is 1 by root 3, and x4 divided by x, actually x cube. You apply the same index rule, that is a to the power m by a to the power m e to the power m minus n. Okay, clear? Then here 2 root 3 by 3. So root 3 by 3 is actually root 3 by 3 is what? Root 3 by 3 is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, so it will be 1 by root 3, and x cube minus divided by x is equal to 3 minus 1 is square, and 3 cancel out, it's become x, and x square minus x square divided by x is equal to x, and here it will be 6, not 6, sorry, it will be 3 2 just 6, 2 is the correct answer. Okay, so actually here we just miss the 2. Okay, you write down the 2 here, because we divide root 3 by 3 and 2 remain, 2 by root 3. Okay, this is the correct answer. So we have completed this part, division by the any monomial or polynomials by another monomials. Okay, so next we learn the long division method of the polynomial. Okay, let's take one example to learn the long division method of polynomials. So this is the dividend, this is the divisor. Okay, this is the divisor part. Okay, first we write the question, that is write the dividend, that is m cube minus 14 m square plus 37m minus 26. Then write as the normal division structure, that is m square 2m plus 3 13. This is the divisor. Now how you can do that? You check this part, this m square and m cube, we have to match this, because we have to eliminate every time, we have to eliminate the highest power. So here the highest power is what? M cube. So we have to eliminate with the m square. So by which value, if we multiply with the m square, we get the m cube, that will be definitely m. So if you multiply m square, you only look only to this, the first term only, first term of the uh, divisor and the dividend. Clear? Then you checked which value we can multiply so that we get the same value, same term here. So if we multiply here, we get m cube. Then minus 12, you have to multiply this second term with this m, we get what? Minus 12 m square. Then it is over. Then the third term, 13 into m, that is 13m. Next, since it is the division, we have to deduct. We have to change the sign. For the deduction method, we have to change the sign. Minus, here it is plus, so it become minus, and minus become plus, and plus become minus. So if we deduct, now it is cancel each other, and here we get what? Minus 12 plus minus 14 plus 12, so minus 2 m square, and here remain what? 37 minus 13, so it will be plus 424 m minus 26. Okay. Next, for which value we choose here to multiply with this m square so that we get minus 2m square? Definitely it is easy to find out, that is minus 2 only, because if we multiply this minus 2 with the first term of the divisor, we get the minus 2m square, that is match with the remaining terms of the dividend parts. Okay, so I can do that. So you multiply all this divisor part with the minus 2, so we get minus 2m square, and minus minus plus multiply, that is 24 and m, and minus 13 sorry, the 13 into minus 2 with 26. Clear? And if we change the sign here also, we get what? We get here plus and minus and plus. So plus minus cancel out. Is also plus minus cancel out. They cancel out. So we become 0. You can write cross also. Okay. You can write the cross also. Done. So the quotient is actually, this is the quotient. We get the quotient, not q. The quotient we get here a minus 2, and remainder we get here 0. This is the answer. This way, and some division there may be some remainder also, and you know that this kind of the question you have to answer for which value to add with this number, we can divide this divisor. So that means the remainder parts from the algorithm of the division, you get this formula. Okay, clear? You must remember the division algorithm. This is this dividend is actually the px. This is the function, means polynomial function, and this is the quotient qx, and this is the gx, that is the divisor, and it is the remainder is the rx. So then we can write as px is equal to qx into gx plus rx. Clear? So this is the division algorithmic formula. Here px is equal to the dividend. So we got it from here. Px is equal to the dividend. This is the px. This is the px, the dividend, and gx is the divisor, and qx is the quotient, and rx is the remainder. So what is the formula? That is px is equal to dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. From this concept we can solve different kind of question also. Okay, so after this we have completed the long division method. So next we learn the division by the factorization. Let's take this example where we learn the division by the factorization. The question given here, a c x square plus bc plus adx plus bd. We have to divide this expression by the ax plus b. How you can do that? So the next step, actually we remove this bracket by multiply this both this term with the x. It will be ac x square plus because here we if we take the common ac x square and bd, we never get this term, so we have to just change the group and then we take the common factor, that is bcx plus adx plus bd, and it's remain as it is ax plus b. And here we can take common, we change the group, we can combine this two part, acx square and bcx, so we can take common cx, and what remain ax plus, we take the cx, b remain, and here we take the common d, ax plus b. Okay, here will be ax plus b, and now you just see this ax plus b and ax plus b both are the common term, so we take the common term first, ax plus b, and what is remain we write here, that is cx plus d, and keep the denominator as it is, that is ax plus b. So it is cancel each other, ax plus b and x plus b, yeah, both are same. So what remain, it is the answer, that is cx plus d. So this way, by factorizing the numerator, we cancel out the denominator, then we get the quotient. Okay, so now we have completed the division by the factorization. So this is next is the last one, that is shortcut division method. So learn the shortcut division method. Let's take one example, 5y cube minus 6y square plus 6y minus 1 by the 5y minus 1. How you can do that? So first you have to write the 5y minus 1. Okay, then for which multiplication of this first term we get the 5y cube, so it will be pi square. So if we multiply this y square into 5y, we get the 5y cube. Now we get minus y square, but here it is minus 6y square, that is minus 1. So next we write 5y minus 1 minus 1, and here we multiply for which value we get the minus 6y square. So here it is minus y square, and if we multiply minus 5 y square, then we get what, y square minus 5y square. So it's become, what that mean the earlier it was what, minus y square. Now after multiply with y, into 5y, we get what? Minus 5y square. So we get 6y square. So we are correct. We can consider minus y. So next, you have to write 5y minus 1. Then for which value we get the 6y. So look at this, minus y multiply with minus 1, we get what? We get y. But here it is 6y. So we have to add another 5y. How you can do that? If we multiply 1 here, we get what? Here it is plus y, and we get right now 5y. We get the 6y. Okay, so it is correct. And here also match. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So ultimately we get what? 5y and minus 1. This factor is the common. Then what remain? Y square minus y plus 1. So if this is divisor, so this will be the quotient. So this is the answer. So quotient is equal to y square minus y plus 1. This is the answer. This video is helpful to you. Please subscribe this channel and share with your friends, and also press the bell icon so that you get all updates, and you must take the notes every time so that you can start your exercise yourself. So thank you for watching this till end, and see you in the next video. Bye.